Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our analysis for this Christmas Eve until Monday, December 24 to 27, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. First of all, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas, and I hope that all of you is in good shape despite this the passage of the super typhoon over the southern portions of the Visayas and Mindanao. Let's hope all is well, and I hope everything will return to normal. And let's always pray to our dear Lord for all this suffering we are experiencing. And let's hope that everything will be back to normal. And so, again, Merry Christmas to all. And we begin now with our latest update. Here's the latest graph set, beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Christmas Day, Saturday. We have the northeasterly surface wind flow affecting the Bicol region, Mimaropa, and the Visayas. This will bring some light winds, light to moderate winds with some passing isolated showers, becoming more widespread with rains and thunderstorms across the eastern and central portions of the Visayas, including the whole of Mindanao, brought about by the surface trough. The easternmost extension of the surface trough was once low pressure area 98W. The other day it weakened into a shallow LPA, and as of this time it's gone with the wind. The system has rapidly dissipated and it's no longer here. We are only observing some remnants of this LPA, which converted into a surface trough or embedded within that trough, and it's no longer there. Okay, and right here across the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Taiwan, we have a new surge of a northeast monsoon because of a rapidly building cold high pressure area over eastern and mid-central China. So it is expected to bring some wind conditions across extreme northern Luzon within the next 24 hours until Christmas Day. And then moving forward, this monsoon will dig in and affect the whole of Luzon, including the Bicol region, right after Christmas. So beginning 26, and based on the models, I'm going to show it to you that it is expected to extend until the second day of January or next year, 2022, which is a week from now. So that's good news when it comes to typhoon formation. There's no longer a threat to our country, including Mindanao and the Visayas, which was bombarded by Super Typhoon Odette last week. Okay, so that's good news to all of us. Let's all thank the Lord that this system, the potential LPA a few days ago, will no longer push through. Okay, even the American model is no longer there. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So the trough right now, before 12 midnight this Christmas Eve, has weakened considerably, but still there's a surge of the northeast monsoon here. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here some cloudiness and thunderstorms across Visayas because of the remnants of the trough, and the weaker northeasterly surface wind flow known as a weaker Amihan. Okay, and then if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, we expect increasing threat of rainfall event across extreme northern and eastern Luzon because of the northeast monsoon, and then it will also affect the northern Quezon area, Polillo, the coastal areas of the Bicol region from Camarines Norte, Partido District, and Camarines Sur down to eastern Sorsogon, eastern Albay, including Calanduanes. And this rainfall will also penetrate across the whole of Camarines Sur, Bicol region, Naga City, Okay, and some portions of Sorsogon and Albay within the next 3 days. So this rainfall might arrive sometime Sunday or Monday. So expect to bring your rain gear, umbrellas, because it is another surge of the monsoon. So we expect, alongside with this northeast monsoon, is the shear line or the frontal boundary or the tail end of a cold front, which is expected to bring heavy rainfall, because right now we're still in the La Nina condition. Okay, and also across the eastern sections of the Visayas and the eastern sections of Caraga, we could expect some rainfall brought about by the northeast monsoon and the local convection here of Mindanao. Okay, and then also across the Oriental Mindoro area and northern Panay. So far, that's the latest from our 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast from the European model. Let's take a look now to our wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. So tomorrow, Saturday afternoon, we could expect the northeast monsoon. The new surge will affect extreme northern Luzon. And on Sunday, December 26, it will start to affect the whole of the northern and eastern sections of Luzon, including the northern coastal areas of the Bicol region. And on Monday, it will already affect the Bicol region and portions of the Visayas because of the surge of the northeast monsoon. And we could expect some rainfall between Sunday to Tuesday, December 26 to 28, because of a combination of the monsoon and the possible formation of another shear line because of the passage of a frontal system in the vicinity of Japan. Okay, so that's a quick update for this Christmas Eve weekend. And we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon2000.com. This is Mike Padua reporting. Again, Merry Christmas to all. Be hashtag WeatherWiser, hashtag TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.